Assalamu alaikum. This is Ishra Jahan Mim, Definitely Technical Institute, Department of Textile, Apparel Manufacturing. So, firstly, we are going to discuss about basic aspects of apparel industry. The apparel industry of Bangladesh started its journey in 1980 and has came to this position today. Uh, After the independence in 1971, Bangladesh was one of the poorest countries in the world. No major industries were developed in Bangladesh. The industry has been making crucial this contribution to rebuilding the country, and its economy is none other than the ready-made garments industry, which is now the single biggest exporter earner for Bangladesh. The sector accounts for 83% is totally export earning of country. Now we are going to learn about the list down and the name of apparel exporting countries. Basically, these countries are exporting the apparel section. The China, Germany, Bangladesh, Vietnam, India, Italy, Turkey, USA, and Spain. The difference between tailoring and industrial methods for apparel making. So there is two type of uh, tailoring method and industrial method. So basically the main difference between these two is uh, in tailoring method one or two machine is required, but industrial method there's too many machines are required. So in tailoring method no pattern grading needed, and the industrial method where pattern grading is required. Then we came to chapter 2, which is including apparel manufacturing process, the sequence, and we can also say it's a flowchart of garments manufacturing. So firstly, we need to develop our design. Then we have to fabric sourcing, then basic block, working pattern, sample garments, approval sample, and cost. Production pattern, grading, marker making, fabric spreading, cutting, then sorting, numbering, then sewing, inline inspection, ironing, finishing, tagging, final inspection. Those are describably explained in our textbook. So I'm going to move on to chapter 3, which is the different terms of apparel manufacturing. Firstly, we can see that there is applique. So applique is basically the some sort of sewing technique involves stitching a small piece of fabric into larger one to make pattern or design. Then basic block. We have attached pictures there. We can easily understand the basic block. What is there is no allowance included in basic pattern. Basic block. Bartek. Bartek, also written as Bartek, refers a series stitch used to reinforce areas of garments that may be subject to stress or additional wear. Needle gauge. Needle gauge refers to size of needle. CV line refers to center back, and CF center front. CM means cost of making. CMT cut, make, trims, and dummy is basically we refer to mannequin. Chapter 4, Human Body Anthropometry. So it is related to measurement of human individualities, including systematic measurement of physical characteristics of human body, primarily body weight, size, body and shape. Here we can see a man's standard body with all major points: head, size, neck, chest, waist, rise, bottom, seat, and there is describably uh, giving the parts explain. Then we can see a women standards body with all measurement points. Pattern making of apparel. So pattern making is included with fashion design, and a fashion design or pattern templated from the parts of garments are traced into woven or knitted fabric before cut or assembled. So there is grading methods is pattern shifting, computer grading. cut and then we came to marker making. What is marker making? Marker is the mixing of any pattern size drawn into a thin paper prior of cutting. Factor influencing marker efficiency: marker planner, who is planning to make the marker size of marker, then the size of the material is depend on the marker efficiency and the marker length, pattern engineering, fabric characteristics. So important issue is in marker making. Speed of marker efficiency. The marker efficiency means we defined as the area occupied by the patterns in the marker expressed as percentage of total area of marker plan. Here I have given the picture that refers to marker efficiency. CAD and CAM. Basically, CAD is computer aided design and CAM is computer aided manufacturing, which is related to our apparel industry, and now it is used in different ways. And advantage and disadvantage of CAD and CAM is: advantage, flexibility. Using CAD software allows style changes and became quickly. We can also change this pattern size immediately, and another advantage is design flexibility. We can also design different type of clothing sectors. And disadvantage is handling energy restriction and cost. Disadvantage, another one is application complexity. That's all.